How to fix Samsung phone screen flickering. Firstly, give your device a quick restart. Sometimes minor issues like this can be fixed with a simple restart. Now check for any software updates. For that, open Settings on your device. Inside Settings, if you scroll down to the bottom, you should see the option Software Update. Look for any new software updates that may be available and update if possible. You can also try to boot it into safe mode. For that, you need to tap and hold on the power off option, then select the safe mode. If flickering stops, an app is the cause. Uninstall recently added apps. If that doesn't fix the issue, you can manually try to set your brightness. Turn off adaptive brightness and try to manually set it. By adjusting your brightness to some level, your problem should be fixed. Also, check your power saving mode. Turn off power saving or adaptive power saving as it sometimes triggers screen issues. If flickering continues, it may be a screen or connector problem which needs service at a Samsung repair center. So that's all for today. Thank you.